Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today we're going to show you this Lifestyle. It's a 2014 37 CK. Lifestyles, I know they don't make them anymore, but really strong, very, built really nice for a fifth wheel. Unfortunately, they're not making them, but again, you can't take anything away from it. It's pretty nice. Right off the bat, you can see the uniqueness of it. Lifestyle right there, the frameless windows right there. Although it's a 2014, it's ahead of its time at that time, and then it has a power awning. Let's walk inside and show you a couple of things. This is a very welcoming, again, coach. Big fridge, nice. Look at that, almost residential kind of. All right, with a freezer. This is pretty cool. Double compartment. This way your food stays, away from each other. Really nice microwave convection oven. 3 burner. Look at that. With an oven. That's pretty cool. I like the wood coloring. Some people might say a little bit dark, but it's not that dark at all. More cabinets, more storage. Very impressive. This is your pantry in a way. Yeah. As we walk through, which is very spacious coach, you can see this workstation with a fireplace and a nice TV. Easy to reach cupboards up here. Really nice windows all over the place, give you more, daylight in a way. There you go with your couch, rear view, pretty nice. I'm not that tall and I can't reach this. It's pretty cool. Look at that, very deep. 2 recliners right in front of the big screen TV. This way you're not turning your neck around and all that. Nice dining area right here. Very big window. You can see all over the place. Pretty cool. I love this countertops. Probably a Korean. Look at these big steps. Really nice. Very welcoming to the bedroom as we go in. And again, these folks did a good job. Real wood all over the place. Nice, the bed, walk around bed, which is very important. There we go. Another window up here. God forbid your exit, but you can put whatever you need up here. TV right there. I don't know if you have a cat. Cats like windows like here. Look at this bathroom. Very impressive. It's an enclosed shower. Yeah, this is very, in a way, keeps the water inside instead of that curtain, shower curtain. 2 doors for privacy as we walk out. Okay, again, those are nice steps. Let's go outside and show you a couple of things. Yeah, right off the bat, there it is. That big slide, that dinette is sitting in it as we go around this coach. Very impressive. More storage at the bottom right here. More storage back here also. Ladder that you can go up there, check for debris, what have you. Again, this is the side window. Oh, this one is even frameless window. On the usually they don't put that, but that's a nice touch right there. As we go, this is a super slide Lifestyle. Pretty nice, very well built coach. Auto leveling, which is push a button, you're good to go. Thank you folks for watching this short video. My name is Dib. Please call me with any questions. 541-515-1237. Thank you.